Friends, I'm Ashudev. I done my BTech from MDU University Rohtak. In this video, we talk about international airports in India. So this video is very important from the exam point of view. Why? Because we know the city names, but we don't know the airport's name. In this video, we talk about city with their airport names. Let's talk about first with Srinagar. Srinagar called as Srinagar International Airport. This is in Jammu and Kashmir. And if we talk about Amritsar, this is in Punjab. And this Amritsar airport called as Sri Guru Ram Das Ji International Airport. If we move forward with the capital city, Delhi, this capital city airport called as IGI, we all know, but IGI full form is Indira Gandhi International Airport. And Lucknow, this is a UP capital, Uttar Pradesh capital, and this Lucknow called as Chaudhry Charan Singh International Airport. And if you move forward with a Varanasi, this is also in Uttar Pradesh. This Varanasi called as Lal Bahadur Shastri International Airport, Lal Bahadur Shastri International Airport. And if you talk about Bihar, in Patna and in Gaya, Patna airport called as Jayaprakash Narayan International Airport, and Gaya. This airport is in Bodh Gaya. Bodh Gaya, this airport called as Bodh Gaya International Airport. And if you talk about Jaipur, this is in Rajasthan. This Jaipur is also called as Jaipur International Airport. Little further, if you talk about Guwahati, this Guwahati called as Lokpriya Gopinath Bardoloi International Airport. Lokpriya Gopinath Bardoloi International Airport. This is in Assam. And if you talk about Imphal, this is the capital city of Manipur, and this Manipur, like Imphal airport, is called as Tulihal International Airport. Tulihal International Airport. And if we move forward with Ahmedabad called as this is a capital city or nearby the capital city like Gandhinagar. It's in Ahmedabad. This airport called as Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel International Airport. This is also important for the exam point of view. So please students or my friends, please point it out. And Bhopal, this is also important. This is the capital city of Madhya Pradesh, and this called as Raja Bhoj International Airport. Raja Bhoj International Airport, Bhopal. And if you move forward, Kolkata. This is a capital city of West Bengal and one of the metropolitan city of India. And this Kolkata airport is called as Netaji Subhash Chandra International Airport. This is also very important from the exam point of view. Let's move forward with Mumbai, and we are now in Maharashtra. So Maharashtra, we have two international airports, one in Mumbai and one in Nagpur. Mumbai airport is called as Chhatrapati Shivaji International Airport, and Nagpur Dr. Baba Saheb Ambedkar International Airport. So Mumbai Chhatrapati Shivaji International Airport, and Nagpur Dr. Baba Saheb Ambedkar International Airport. And if you talk about Bhubaneswar and Visakhapatnam, the coastal areas, Bhubaneswar, the capital city of Odisha, and this basically called as Biju Patnaik International Airport. Biju Patnaik International Airport, Bhubaneswar. And Visakhapatnam, this is in Andhra Pradesh, and Visakhapatnam called as Visakhapatnam International Airport itself only. And if you move forward little further, in Telangana, this is the capital city of Telangana, now capital city of Telangana and Andhra also. So this Hyderabad called as Rajiv Gandhi International Airport. This is the one of the famous airport in India, and Delhi and Hyderabad. These two are the largest airport in India. Basically, Delhi is the one of the largest airport in India, and second one is Hyderabad. And if you talk about Goa we have called as Goa International Airport, or Dabolim Airport we called as Goa Airport. Okay, so we move forward in the south. South we have many airports, like mm, started with Mangaluru, Chennai, Trichy, so Kozhikode, Kochi, Coimbatore, and Thiruvananthapuram. So Bangalore airport called as a Kampagodwa International Airport. We all know this is a famous airport. And a Mangaluru called as a Self Mangalore International Airport. And Chennai is also called as Chennai International Airport. And this Trichy is called as a Tiruchirappalli International Airport. Coimbatore itself called as a Coimbatore International Airport, and Thiruvananthapuram is called as a Trivandrum International Airport. And if you talk about Kochi is called as a Cochin International Airport, and Kozhikode called as a Calicut International Airport. So, friends, we talk all the airports in India, and we left one, that is Andaman and Nicobar. This is a Port Blair, the capital city of Andaman and Nicobar. This airport called as Veer Savarkar International.